Hey, so check it out. Just a little note. Man, protect your credit by all means, because it's definitely harder to fix it than to keep it straight in the first place. And I know all the YouTubers say, "Oh, you can do this to your credit, you can do that to your credit, you can do this, you can do that. If you get this credit, they can't come after you." Man, they can come after you. So, like, even if you get business credit and you don't have no assets, and they give you a credit card, 9 times out of 10, matter of fact, 9.9 times out of 10, you're gonna sign as a PG. So let's say you get that business credit card and it was easy, too easy, right? You're definitely a PG. If you don't know what a PG is, it's a personal guarantor, meaning if your business fails, you as the PG will pay. It's no different than when you co-sign on a loan for somebody to buy a car. So long story short, hey, protect your name, protect your social security number, protect your credit. Because in the long run, you're going to need it. When you're young, you figuring stuff out. But when it's time to get a cheaper car or to get a house for your family and your credit is destroyed or you have no credit at all, then you're going to have to start from somewhere. And I promise you, it's harder to fix it than to just do right, right? Treat your credit card like a charge card. If you don't have the money, then don't buy the asset. What you mean by charge card? So what I mean by charge card is if you have $2,000 in your bank account, use your credit card for everyday expenses, right? Getting gas, getting food, and before the due date, or even before the statement date, pay it off as if you was using your debit card. Why? Because you get reward points for using your credit card. You don't get reward points for using your debit card. Now, if you follow me, I'm going to drop a video step by step on what I use to double my money, to double my rewards using a credit card. So lock in, stay tuned, follow your boy. Out.